Now, let's see the next topic, that is whole numbers. So, very clear, a whole, right? Whole means everything which is included. In general, currently you are familiar with natural numbers or the counting numbers. So, to the whole numbers, to the natural numbers, if I add a whole, that is a 0, as simple. The set of numbers will then become the whole numbers. So, how we can define a whole number? Whole numbers are the natural numbers including 0 in that. Okay. Now, let's see the combination of the numbers or the set of numbers. Here we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Because from 1 till end, no end is there, right? So, that will be called as a group of natural numbers, a set of natural numbers, a collection of numbers which are called as natural numbers. But to this group, if I include a 0, then now the new set of numbers is called as a whole number. Alright, now 0 is the smallest whole number. You can see from this because there is no number left to the 0. So, the smallest whole number will be 0. And which will be the smallest natural number? Since in natural number there is no 0, so the smallest natural number will be 1. Okay. Now, can we say that all the natural numbers are whole numbers? Yes, because see, if I don't include a 0 here, then that set of numbers is a natural number, right? So, in a whole number, we have all the natural numbers including 0. So, we can say that all natural numbers are whole numbers. But are whole numbers, all the whole numbers natural number? See, here you can see the set of all the whole numbers, right? But are they all natural number? No. Here you have 0 in whole number set, but it is not there in the natural number. So, we can say all the whole numbers are not the natural numbers, but all the natural numbers will be the whole numbers. All natural numbers from 1 onwards will be the whole numbers also. Next topic that we cover is number line. Very clear from the name as well. The literal meaning, we'll go by it. So, line. A number line, a line on which we see various numbers, on which we can present numbers. Now, suppose we have to do 3 plus 4. So, while doing 3 plus 4, what we have to do? We'll start from the first number, that is 3. So, we'll start from 3. That is, this is the point 3 on the number line. And here we have to go 4 steps to the right side. Whenever we do addition, we have to go to the right hand side. So, 1, 2, 3 and 4 steps. So, here we reach the number 7. And therefore, we say that 3 plus 4 is 7. So, the final conclusion here is 3 plus 4 gives you 7. Let's see what about subtraction. Subtraction on the number line. Here, let us perform 7 minus 5. Very simple. Again, so here we need to start with the number 7 because from 7 we have to subtract 5. So, we'll begin from 7 and how many steps we have to go? 5. But this time we have to move towards the left side because in subtraction we have to come to the left side. As see, you already know, while doing the subtraction, the number reduces, it decreases. That means on subtraction, it goes down. So, we have to come to the left hand side. How many steps? Since we have to subtract 5 from it. So, we need to come 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 steps to the left. And finally, we are reaching the number 2. So, we say 7 minus 5 gives you the number 2. Now, let's start multiplication on the number line. You know what is multiplication? Very simple. We have done in the junior classes as well, that it is repeated addition. Same thing when it is repeated the number of times, it is multiplication. Let's see an example here. So, here we can see when we multiply 3 4 times, right? That is repeated addition. That means you need to jump 3 steps. And how many times it has to be jumped? So, we have to jump 4 times. So, see, first jump is for the number 3. The second jump will also be for the number 3, like 1, 2 and 3. So, we take one complete jump in one loop. Then again, one more time and one more time. So here we have taken a loop of 3. And how many times we have taken the loop? So we have taken the loop 4 times. And see, finally, where are we reaching? So we are reaching the number 12. So here you can say 3 times 4 gives you the number 12. That means repeated addition. So whatever number you want to multiply, like if you want to multiply 3, how many times? Say 4 times. So here you have to take a jump of 3. How many times? 4 times, right? So it can be repeated addition, or we say it is multiplication on the number line.